Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from amFilm. This is their 3-pack of tempered glass screen protectors for the ASUS ROG Ally handheld. We're going to do an install and an unboxing to show you how this fits on the ROG Ally, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the box for this. Even on the back it does say amFilm for ROG Ally 3-pack, so you do get 3 of these: scratch resistant, 9H hardness, 0 bubble, and 99.99% clarity. So we're going to see how that holds up. You do get screen protector installation accessories here, and then of course your 3 screen protectors as well. So if you mess one up, or down the road they do get scratches on them, you've got 2 extras there to replace that. Let's take a look at what they give us for accessories here for the installation. This is most likely going to be a wet and dry wipe combination here. And they even give you some documentation as well from TechMat and amFilm. You do get a cleaning cloth here. You do get some documentation as well. You can check them out at their website, and they do have an installation guide. You can scan that QR code. You do get some wet wipes and some dry wipes, and you also get dust removal stickers as well. Okay, so here I've got my ROG Ally. I just kind of put it down on a towel. It is of course powered off. We're going to start with the wet wipes here. This is a pretty common setup that we've seen in tempered glass screen protectors. You'll do a wet wipe to get rid of any dirt or fingerprints or smudges or anything like that, and then you'll follow it up with a dry wipe to make sure that it is totally dry before you do the installation. So this is something that I've seen before. I've used amFilm on phones before, so I wanted to give this a try on my ROG Ally. We're just going to make sure that we wipe this down real good to get any fingerprints or oils or anything like that off of the screen. Then you follow up with the dry wipe to make sure that the screen is totally dry. You do not want any of the leftover solution left on the screen at all, which is, self-explanatory. You don't want anything on the screen when you're going to put a glass screen protector on it, because you're going to essentially trap it underneath the screen, and then it's not going to look right and you're going to have to redo it. So just make sure you take your time and make sure that you dry wipe everything down. Last but not least, we're going to use the sticker dust remover here. If you see any spots that are left, even after you wet wipe it and then dry wipe it, you should be able to get them off really easily without having to touch the screen using this little sticker here. I'm just seeing tiny bits by the edges here that I want to get off, just to make sure my screen is as clean as possible when we actually do the install. Okay, so once you get the screen protector out, you've got your screen all set up. You see there's one red tab there, and that red tab is the one that you remove first, and it's going to expose the adhesive side of the screen protector itself, so do not touch that. You can touch the sides if you want, and then you have 2 tabs on the side that you can hold onto here, and then you have to just line it up. And once you line it up, you can drop it down onto the device. And as you can see, it covers the entire front of the device, the top and bottom bezels, not just the screen. And you will see 2 levels of bubbles here. These lighter levels of bubbles that I'm looking at right now are from the plastic guide portion that you have to remove, and then that darker bubble on the right is one that you would have to press out from underneath the screen. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm going to leave the actual cover on it while I press out any leftover bubbles, because, why not? And then we'll reveal once it's done here, just taking a few moments to press out some bubbles, and once you can see There's one on the right hand side that I do want to get out of there, but you'll see once I get into it here that it's very easy to just use your finger right there to move it to the side of the screen. And just like that, that bubble is gone. Now you can just go around the entire screen there, just making sure that your corners are down and correct. And then you can lift up the actual cover protector or guide holder there. And once you do that, you should be good to go. And as you can see, it covers the entire screen, including the top and bottom bezels. 0 bubbles here, and worked out really, really nice. It really does look like there's no screen protector on it, which is a great thing. My screen is now protected. I have 0 bubbles on this, and it worked out really, really well as far as the install goes. I had maybe 1 bubble there on the right-hand side that I had to press out with my thumb, but once I got that done, it was good to go. So amFilm did a great job on the cut for this to fit the ROG Ally exactly how it should. My touch sensitivity is good, colors look good, and I am protected. So if you're looking for a screen protector for your ASUS ROG Ally, check out this one from amFilm, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.